This technique begins on a PLEXIGEL enhancement that has a minimum of 1 cured layer of shaper or builder. Apply a layer of shaper, but do not cure. Use a detail brush to apply color builder drops in milky mauve to create the veins of the marble pattern. Repeat with drops of porcelain directly over the milky mauve and allow the colors to self-blend. Repeat to ensure coverage over the entire nail. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Remove top film. Refine and smooth the nail. Clean the nail. Finish with protector top coat. Cure on button 3. Clean the nail. Apply a drop of solar oil.